Welcome to Valkyrie Simple Finance. Understanding before investing. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a money understanding problem. People think personal finance is about earning more or finding the perfect investment, but that's not where most people go wrong. Personal finance is about what happens after the money hits your account, how you spend it, how you protect it, and how you plan its future. Every personal finance decision answers 3 questions. Can I afford this? What happens if something goes wrong? And what does this mean for my future? Imagine 2 people earning the same income. One knows where their money goes, the other doesn't. 5 years later, their financial lives look very different. Without a system, money leaks away quietly, through small choices, subscriptions, impulse spending, and you only notice when the pressure builds. Beginners usually make the same mistakes. They focus on investing too early, they ignore risk, and they underestimate small decisions. Here's the rule to remember. Control comes before growth. Always. That's why this series starts with the basics. Budgeting, emergency funds, debt. Only later do we talk about investing. Personal finance isn't complicated, but it is foundational. When you understand the system, everything else becomes easier. In the next video, we'll look at budgeting and why most budgets fail.